Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us how your experience was like with Green Home Systems so far, and who helped you with your panel?
Okay, it was his Connor, and he the one that kept me informed, updated throughout the whole process, and like I said, the city didn't have no rules or regulations or no kind of system, for solar panels, and so they had to go and make some type of plan. So I can get my system installed. So when the city came up with it, then Colin kept me updated and informed with every step of the process.
Very good. And why did you choose to go with Green Home Systems initially?
Well, it was popped up. I was on my Facebook, and it popped up where it says that the state of Illinois would pay so much, then the government would pay so much, and I'm only paying the third.
Very good.
And then Amber is getting outrageous with her utilities, so that's what made me go ahead and give call Greenhouse System.
Very good. Fantastic. And would you recommend Green Home Systems as a solar option to any of your friends or neighbors?
I already have.
Wow. Very good.
And now they coming and they coming to see with my solar panels and how it's operating and how the system is working and everything. So I haven't. It was fully installed and operated. It was started by November the 16th. So February will be out. Well, I should start seeing benefits from it in February.
Great. And now, last question for you. Why did you choose to go solar?
Because I wanted to get rid of Amber. That's truthfully.
Fantastic. Amazing. Well, you did a great job answering these questions for us. We definitely appreciate your time. And thank you so much.
You're so welcome.